So I know y'all love my daily cyber deck update. So here is day a millions update. I am making, originally it was two cyber decks. The one for the tutorial for the Black Girls Code Workshop, and then the one, my personal Cyberbot cyber deck. And then I found two that were kind of doing okay. So I'm kind of on the fence about whether to keep two Cyberbots and one of the tutorial cases, or I don't know, we'll decide. But I wanted you to show you the case that is the furthest along, and I'm hopefully on my last round of prints right now, praying nothing goes wrong. So let me show you what Cyberbot Cyber Deck looks like right now. Here's my home girl. Her name is Cyberbot Cyber Betty. Hold on, let me flip the screen so y'all can see Cyber Betty. All right, here's Cyberbot Cyber Betty. There's her little cute face, her little sonar eyes, and her little antenna. There's her Cyberbot side. All right, there's her little top. This is going to be where her Raspberry Pi is going to go. The LCD is going to stack on top of that. All these holes are for air ventilation and also for cable wiring, routing. Here is the keyboard, which it really should be like this. I'm reprinting this to be a little bit tighter. The one thing I really should have done, just like I should have probably a little L right there, but I can live without that because it's kind of going to be a pain to get out without that. Here's the insert part for that. I can get this out, of course, whenever I'm doing a tour, things don't work right. There's my power bank. Here's inside of that. Side of it says power bank because, you know, I'm all about the breadcrumbs to help you to know where stuff goes. Keyboard. Okay. And then here's my other Cyberbot that I glued together because I kind of like her too, even though she's glued right here and right here. Thanks, Bob, for the idea of using filament instead of 3D printing the hinge screws. So even though Cyber Betty 2, maybe I call her Cyber Bobby, I had to use glue to put it together, still cute. So I think I may end up keeping this one. And this may be the one that I'm going to make that's going to work with the mini keyboard that I want to test out. Then here's the one I made for the Black Girl Code tutorial. I had to reprint the top, so that's what I'm working on. So this is almost the end of the line. I'm hoping that these are the last rounds of my 4 printers going. Printer 5 has some maintenance. One reason why I'm really missing my summer research students, because I typically would have them fixing the printer. Yeah, love 3D printing. Don't like all the maintenance and babysitting when it doesn't work. But Professor does not have any summer students because I'm supposed to be working on writing this summer, children's books, textbooks. Have you been to my TikTok shop? Checked out my children's books, romance novels, any of that? It's never too late to go bless me with my TikTok shop. Or my personal website also has my books, or Amazon, BarnesandNoble.com, Target, Walmart, wherever books are sold. Although, you know, Black people are boycotting Walmart, Amazon, and Target. Can't always boycott everything. Like, I still use Waze and Amazon, but I'm a no on Walmart and Target. Just do what you can and stay fantastic.